One of the most often used plants is lettuce. Oftentimes, I will grow lettuce and stagger the plantings. And having multiple ways to start out the lettuce seeds works out well. While I can grow a single head of lettuce to maturity and then harvest it, I can go back and replant using some of the seeds that I've started. Sometimes there's other ways to extend my harvest. A little bit larger lettuce plant, such as this one, allows me to pull off the larger outer leaves and leave the smaller central leaves to regrow, and that extends my harvest by doing multiple micro harvest and allowing the central part of the plant to regrow. That can be more advantageous than being able to take a single head off and replant it, because there is a grow time in between a small plant and a harvestable plant. What you see here is an experiment. Typically, in a product such as an AeroGarden, if you were to try to start one plant, then another, you'll find that the larger plants tend to suck up the nutrients, have longer roots, and that it compromises the growth of the smaller plants. So what I've done right here is this particular lettuce that you see is multiple seeds and was germinated just a little bit shorter in front of the secondary plants that I have here. This is a single plant, and this lettuce was germinated just a few days later, and it's not far behind. This lettuce was germinated just about twice as long after the second plant and is on its way. And by doing this, all three plants are growing quite nicely. The idea is if I can harvest the outer leaves on the plant on the left, it will have an opportunity to regrow. And then the plant on the right, I should be able to do the same thing to just a few days later. The plant that is in the middle, by that time, it should be starting to be ready to do the same thing. So if I can alternate these pickings from the plants going left, right, center, it should be able to provide me with enough lettuce for smaller amounts of salad in the home. So if you're looking for something different to do and you do not have the amount of AeroGardens or other systems that I have, this might be something for you to look into as well. I will have to let you know how this experiment works out, but overall, I've been quite pleased.